Welcome to this presentation on hinged bipodal Furoyl theoria based root 2I arene complexes, effect of ortho, meta, or para substitution on coordination and anti-cancer activity. This research was conducted by Ramasamy Karvembu and published in 13th February 2023. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Acyl Thuria ligands, known for their versatile coordination chemistry, have been extensively studied. These ligands contain amide and thioamide functional groups, allowing for easy modification of terminal substituents. While molpodal acyl theories have been widely integrated with transition metals, the coordination chemistry of bipodal ligands, despite their potential in supramolecular chemistry, has been explored less. Bipodal Furoyl-Thuria ligands L1, L2, L3 were synthesized using a one-pot, two-step procedure involving the reaction of furoyl chloride with potassium thiocyanate, followed by addition of the corresponding diamine orthometa or paraphenyldimine. The Ru-I arene complexes PL1, PL3 with p-cymene and BL1, BL3 with benzene were prepared by reacting the Ru precursor with the ligands in a 1:1 ratio in toluene. Bipodal Furoyl-Thuria ligands L1, L2, and L3 were synthesized in high yields. The Ru-I arene complexes were also obtained in good yields, though PL2 had a slightly lower yield. Spectroscopic data UV-Vis, FTIR, NMR confirmed the formation of the ligands and complexes, indicating a neutral coordination mode of sulfur to the Ru-ion. The synthesis of bipodal Furoyl-Thuria ligands and their Ru-I complexes was successful, with characterization confirming their structures. The ortho substitution in L1 led to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, influencing its reactivity and electronic environment compared to the meta and para isomers. The complexes exhibited varying reactivity rates in their formation, with para substitution being the fastest, likely due to ligand basicity and hydrogen bonding. Bipodal Furoyl Thuria based Ru IREN complexes with varying ortho, meta, and para substitutions on the phenyl spacer were synthesized and characterized. The meta substituted ligand L2 showed a propensity for forming a mono-Ru complex with the p-cymene precursor due to its flexible nature, allowing escalation. Single crystal XRD and DFT studies elucidated the structural nuances of the ligands and complexes.